Priya. As I am a BTech graduate, it's easy for me to go into the IT industry without taking any course. But I have interest in such a good field, but it's such a particular field in UI development with React. So I am searching for the institutes for that. My brother helped me in searching that institute. My brother helped me in finding the AchieversIT Institute. I am new to the Bangalore. When I am new to the Bangalore, I am searching for the address of the AchieversIT. When I know the address and I inquired about the course, they helped us a lot and the response made me awesome. When I was about to join in the another institute, their response made me to join in this institute. It was so good and the training started. It was so smooth and awesome. They will give each and every detail which helps us so much. There is no confusion and there is nothing difficult to learn with them. You can learn anything easily with them. And coming to my placements, the placement so smooth. They will send us to multiple companies, but our work is to crack on our own. And thank you Suresh sir for conducting extra communicate classes that shapes our career so much. And Umesh sir for solving our doubts, and Murli sir especially is there on our back and pushing towards our career. And thank you AchieversIT team, thank you Ramesh sir, thank you all the faculty who make me so help in my journey, and the journey was so smooth and awesome. Thank you so much. On the cake, you can join without any doubt in your mind. Once you come here, your doubt will clear instantly. You have a very detailed session on your doubts. You can come and clarify your doubts. Please contact AchieversIT if you have any doubts.